The Gorgon 2-wheel drive is back, but this time the snakes are turned up to 11. It doesn't matter who you are, driving this truck, you're gonna have a good time. Is it a truck? It's an SUV van style? I guess it's a monster truck. It's a truck. This truck represents the most fun you can have with a minimum cost. In fact, the team haven't been very productive recently because we've finished the pre-shipping checks of these cars a month or so ago, and we just keep getting distracted, coming back and driving them again, smashing them, bashing them at lunchtime. One more pack is what we keep going through. And we've just been a bit distracted. Simple by design, which means very minimum maintenance. More power than most people can handle, but that doesn't matter because this truck is tough and it'll keep coming back for more. 11 snakes. SL Jackson. It's got so many little cool features in this car. Truck is a truck. Brushless power right out the box, allowing you to do some wild stuff. Allowing you to do that wild stuff is the cut chevron tire. Aggressive tread pattern, heavier carcass, foam internal support, boom, boom, boom. These tires don't just have incredible traction on the ground. Their heavy nature makes it feel like you have traction even when you're in the air. Don't be afraid of this insane power for this brushless 2-wheel drive truck because this is perfectly suitable for everyone. It runs on 2S or 3S. There is also throttle limit switch available on the radio. This will take you from beginner to wild, insane stunts that a pro can do. We have also included the wheelie bar in this truck, so no matter whether you're doing 2S wheelies at 30 miles an hour or 50 mile per hour wheelies on 3S, this wheelie bar is going to keep you under control. With this truck being 2-wheel drive, it's going to give you a secret benefit. Without knowing it, driving and trying to tame this truck and its wild nature is going to help you to develop some essential RC skills. These skills will help you whether you're driving any other car in the ARRMA range or any other brand if you want to. Get good driving the ARRMA Gorgon 223S and you'll be on a whole new level when you drive any other RC car. Your throttle control will be dialed in. Your braking modulation will improve significantly. Your in-air control will be better than it ever has been, and your steering inputs will be more accurate and more meaningful. We can't go through this video without mentioning the Quake 223S because I can see it now in the comments. It's just a Quake with a different body. Well, it kind of is, but it does require different shock towers to mount the bodies cross between each one. So we did want to make the Gorgon in the brushless version to expand the range, allow you the choice, offering some brand new color schemes for the Gorgon as well. So now instead of choosing whether you want the fast one or what was the slow one, you can now choose the fast one, whether it is in the truck or in the truck. Gorgon, the one with the snakes on it. I've driven both these cars, truck, back to back, testing them to see if there is any difference, and I did feel a little bit of a difference. In the range we have 3 colors available. The T1 example is a ridiculously good flip paint purple blue changing colors. So depending what angle you look at this, you're going to see a blue or a purple. In videos or photos, it just doesn't do it justice. It's incredible. Go down to your local hobby shop, check this one out. Then we have a deep metallic red. This metallic red paint has a real depth to it. It's again something that probably won't come across in photos or videos, but it's such a deep 3D kind of red. Both these come with gunmetal bumpers and wheel colors and matching accent spring colors for each of them. The T3 limited edition is the fantastic pink color scheme, purple color accents on the truck as well. This one's absolutely wild. If you want to know more details on the specification for each of the T color variants, then check out the links in the description below. Let's talk about the specs. The truck operates with a bottom loaded battery. You never need to remove the body for general use of this truck. Just simply pop the bottom off of the car, switch out your battery, pop on the door again, and then you're good to go. Simple, hassle-free, daily usage. This truck also features DSC, that is dynamic stability control. That helps you to keep the car pointing in a straight line when things are getting a little bit wild, putting all that power to the rear wheels. There are 4 modes for DSC: off, low, medium and high. DSC does not interrupt your throttle at all. If you pull full throttle, you will always be getting full throttle. If you ever do want to do any maintenance on your truck, it's super simple. Just remove the 2 body pins from the front and the rear, the body pops straight off. Under the hood, we have the Spektrum 45 amp DSC 2-in-1 ESC. This works perfectly on either 2S or 3S. 2S if you want to be sensible, 3S if you want to go wild. The motor is a Spektrum 4000 kV brushless motor, really high RPM. That's going to get fantastic wheel speed for those crazy triple backflips. Keeping it cool is a huge 40mm fan blowing directly over the motor can. On steering duty is a tough Spektrum S681 fully metal geared servo. On the chassis side of things, it's got exactly the same chassis setup as on the Quake 223S, a tried and tested, proven platform in the market. Super tough, this thing's a tank. The important thing with this truck though, it isn't the material of the slipper hub, it isn't the amp rating of the ESC, it isn't the KV of the motor. It is about the feeling that you get when you drive this truck, whether you're at the skate park on your own having a great time doing triple backflips, or whether you're out with your friends seeing who can jump it the furthest. It's also about unknowingly improving your skills as an RC driver. We at ARRMA are a bunch of RC enthusiasts just like you, and we created this truck to be the most fun you can have for the lowest possible cost. This car truck does crazy things. It rolls over the front end, lifts up the rear tyre, rolls around, absorbs rough terrain like never before, wheelies on demand, backflips in the air. This is the most fun RC truck you can buy.